Hi, I am Syed Rashid. You are watching Ahlabad High School and Junior College YouTube channel. Welcome to my video to all students as well as viewers. Today just we are learning physics class 11th or inter first year chapter number 14. As you know, the name of the chapter is like kinetic theory and part number 2. We have already discussed many things related to the kinetic theory. In today's session we will going to learn like specific heat, SPECIFIC, specific heat, 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 CAPACITY, capacity of monoatomic gas, diatomic gas, diatomic gas, and we have polyatomic gas. So this thing we will going to discuss in today's session. Plus we need to go through with one of the important thing, that is law of EQUI PARTION. So of energy, this many things we may come across in our today's session. So first I am starting with the law of equipartition of energy. It states that the total energy is equally distributed in all degrees of freedom, with each degree of freedom having an average energy of half kBT. Here you can see the definition. It's want to explain us like if we have total energy, we have energy with us, total energies in a system. It is equally distributed in all the degrees of freedom, with each degree of freedom having average energy. That average energy is nothing but half kBT. Now you need to put heading. What is the heading? Like law of equipartition energy. After putting the heading, just write what I am dictating. Listen carefully. It states that the total energy is equally distributed in all degrees of freedom, with each degree of freedom having an average energy of half kBT. SPECIFIC, specific HEAT, heat of monoatomic atomic gas. Now we have to write few lines related to this. As I am writing, you can see monoatomic, GAS, gas, MOLECULE, molecule, has 3 TRANSLATIONAL, 3 translation degree of freedom. Here you can say DEGREE, degree of FREEDOM, freedom. A monoatomic gas molecule has 3 translational degree of freedom. The total, the TOTAL, total, INTERNAL, internal, ENERGY, energy of a unit mole of a gas is given by U is equals to 3/2 kBT. Here you can see that in monoatomic gas, the total internal energy of a unit mole of gas is given by U is equals to 3/2 kBT into Na. And what is this terms? What is K? What is B? What is U? We already learn. Now we are replacing this term with one more term. Here U is equals to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 RT. Why RT? Since we have one formula with us, like KB into Na is equals to R. So this is the first thing, that is U we got. Now after that, at constant, CONSTANT, constant volume, 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 molar, SPECI, specific, like heat capacity, HEAT, heat, CAPACITY, capacity, CV is given by, GIVEN, given by. Up to here you can copy. As you can see, the thing is very easy. First we need to make heading related to specific heat of monoatomic gas. After writing this, you need to write few things here. A monoatomic gas molecule has 3 translation degree of freedom. The total internal energy of a unit mole of gas is given by. This is a might be new formula for you. You need to remember, very easy. That is U is equals to 3 by 2 KBT into Na. U is equals to 3 by 2 RT at constant volume, molar specific heat capacity, CV is given by. Till here you need to copy. I am standing few seconds here, you can copy. After this point I am continuing same derivation. After this, CV is equals to du by dt. Here you can see we are differentiating, that means we are separating particles, and it will be 3 by 2 R. And we know that for an ideal gas, IDEAL gas gas, we need to fetch R. R here is nothing but Cp minus Cv, which is equals to R. And how we can go ahead? Only we have with us like Cv, we can fetch Cp here. So I am just sending this Cv to RHS, that is right hand side. It will be Cp is equals to R plus Cv. Cp as it is. What is R? R here we can go ahead with same R itself plus Cv. What is Cv with us? 3 by 2 R. Since we can write Cv is equals to 3 by 2 R. So this is the thing. From here I am making one small margin for continuing derivation. So here we can see Cp is equals to just we need to calculate this. We will get like okay, I will do here itself 2R plus 3R by 2. How it is? This 2 just multiply with this R. So we get like Cp is equals to 5R by 2. Here specific heat ratio we have with us SPE, CI specific, HEAT heat, RATIO ratio we have with us like gamma. Here specific heat ratio is we have with us like gamma is equals to Cp by Cv. And what we have Cp with us? Just now we got Cp like 5 by 2, not 5 by 2, 5 by 2, 5 by 2, 5 by 2, 5 by 2. Okay, 5 by 2 R. Okay, what about Cv? Cv we were with us like 3 by 2 R, isn't it? we already got this. This two get cancelled. Final answer R also get cancelled. We got like 5/3. So here we can say that the specific heat of monoatomic like gas is nothing but gamma is equals to 5/3. Now what about the unit of this? It is depending upon the system or situation. So as of now you can copy the thing which is written on the board except this line, because we have already I think copied this line, need not to copy, just you need to continue derivation. Now our derivation related to monoatomic gas is done. Next we will going to do same, but it will be like diatomic gas. Hope you have copied specific heat of monoatomic gas. Now we are doing specific heat capacity of diatomic gas. For that we need for few lines related to theory. Diatomic gas molecules, molecule molecule has 5 degrees of freedom, freedom. Here we can say like that is 3 transla translational and 2 degree is rotational. This is the important thing you need to relate it to the diatomic gas, and this is like according, this is nothing but according to ACCORDING, according to law of equipartition. Just now we have learned what is law of equipartition, isn't it all the students and viewers? We already learned this thing just now, so I am just repeating this sentence once again, as you can see on board that a diatomic gas molecule has 5 degrees of freedom, that is 3 translation and 2 is rotational according to law of equipartition energy. Now we will going to continue this derivation. Same, what is the total energy? TOTAL, total ENERGY, energy of diatomic. Like what is diatomic? We have with us gas, GAS, gas molecule. Molecule is given, GIVEN, given by. So what I am doing here, I am writing the thing. It is like U is equals to 5 kBT into Na. Again same procedure, it is U is equals to, we have with us like 5/2. Okay, here we have to take like 5/2 RT. Why RT? Since we need to write same step, KB and into Na is nothing but R. Okay, this is the first thing. Now molar, MOLAR, molar specific heat, HEAT, heat constant volume, VOLUME, volume given by. You can see here one more step we need to go ahead, like CV. Okay, CV is equals to du by dt, isn't it? And it will become like 5/2 R. So this up to here you need to remember. And we know that the logic for ideal gas, for IDEAL, ideal gas, Cp minus Cv is equals to R. Then Cp is equals to, we have R plus Cv, isn't it? So Cp is as it is, R also as it is. What about Cv? We got Cv here like 5/2 R. So after that, if you want, you can write here one step, and the step is, since Cv is equals to 5/2 R. Okay, in place of Cv just we are putting 5/2 R. After that Cp is equals to 2R plus 5R by 2. Cp is equals to 7R by 2. After that we know that just specific heat of like diatomic gas, it's given with gamma is equals to Cp by Cv. What we have Cp with us 7 by 2R by what is Cv with us like 5 by 2R. R cancel, 2 cancel. Here gamma is equals to 7 by 5. We can see this is the specific heat of diatomic gases. Now it is very easy, you can see that just we wrote one statement here. Total energy of diatomic gas molecule is given by U is equals to 5 by 2 kBT into Na. U is equals to 5 by 2 RT. Next, molar specific heat constant volume given by Cv is equals to du by dt, which is equals to 5 by 2 R. Now, for ideal gas, we know that Cp minus Cv is equals to R. So, just we want Cp. So, Cp is equals to R plus Cv. Cp is equals to R plus 5 by 2 R, since Cv is equals to 5 by 2 R. Cp is equals to 2R plus 5R by 2. Cp is equals to 7R by 2. Here we know that gamma is equals to Cp by Cv, and this is equals to 7 by 2R by 5 by 2R. 2 get cancel, RR get cancel, we remains like 7 by 5. Now you can copy down the thing which is written on board. Hope you have copied specific heat capacity of diatomic gas. Now the time to learn specific heat of polyatomic gas. A poly, okay, here I am changing the few things here, you can see. A polyatomic gas molecule has 5 degrees of freedom, that is 3 translation and 3 is rotational. According to equipartition of energy, total energy of polyatomic gas molecule is given by, we have here the different scenario. U is equals to, in polyatomic we need to take like 3 by 2 kBT, plus again we need to take same term like 3 by 2 kBT, plus here we have introduced one term like FKBT, and this whole into like Na. So here I am bringing out Kb, so it will become 3 by 2 T plus 3 by 2 T, okay, plus Ft is in it, and it will become completely like Kb into Na. Why I am bringing this out means we know that Kb into Na is nothing but R. So here you can see 3 by 2 T and 3 by 2 T. It will be like we can say that 3 by 2 is nothing but 6 by 2. 6 by, okay, I am just doing same step. 6 by 2 T plus Ft, isn't it? After that what I will doing, see, so it will be like R. Why R? Since Kp and A is equals to R. After that it will become like 3 1s are 3 2s are, this will be 3T plus Ft into R. Next step, hope you understood. Here we need to some change here, like total energy of polyatomic gas molecule is given by 3 by 2 kBT plus 3 by 2 kBT plus FKBT into Na. So this thing you need to remember. After that what I did just I taken Kb as out, whereas 3 by 2T plus Ft as it is. Why I am taking out Kb means Kb into Na is nothing but R. So here 3 by 2T plus 3 by 2T, it is become 6 by 2T plus ft. Here we have like 2 ones are 2 3s are, so it will be like 3t plus ft into r, and it will become like final step I am writing here itself. Hope you can see this part, 3rt plus frt. So this is nothing but u, we can say. Now we will going to same do differentiation, like molar, molar, molar specific heat, HEAT, heat of like specific heat CV is given by CV is equals to like du by dt. So and here the differentiation is somewhat change. Here it will become like 3 plus f into r. In previous cases the differentiation might be directly like 3 by 2 r or like 7 by 2 r. Here f is also there. Now next here r and t, okay, 3 plus f into r and t. This is the subject related to the max. Just you need to remember the steps here, not t, only 3 plus f into r. So just you can remember the step here. Now for ideal gas equation, for IDEAL, ideal gas EQUATION equation, Cp minus Cv is equals to R. So here we have Cp with us, what we got? Okay, we don't have Cp, so Cp is equals to R plus Cv, isn't it? I hope you are understanding. It will be R plus 3 plus f into R, isn't it? This is R plus 3R plus 3f. Till here you can copy down. So from here we need to continue. Here we can see R is as it is. Here 3 into R is 3R, but here we have bracket. We need to differentiate bracket and like f, not f, bracket and c. So here R plus 3 into R is 3R, whereas here f into R is nothing but fr. So it will become totally with us like 4R plus fr, isn't it? This is nothing but like Cp. Cp is equals to, so I can write Cp is equals to, I am taking here R as common, isn't it? If I taken R common means I get like 4 plus f, here R is common. Now okay, what step? We are taking gamma, that is ratio, is equals to Cp by Cv. Cp we have with us 4 plus f into R, whereas Cv we have with us 3 plus f into R, isn't it? Now here you can see that R get cancel and we get ratio gamma as 4 plus f by 3 plus f. And here we have a scenario, if f is equals to 0, in case like in we have few situation for like triatomic gas. Okay, if in triatomic gas, if we are considering f is equals to 0 means gamma become what? It will become directly 4 by 3. Same case if we are considering polyatomic gas. Okay, for polyatomic gas, if we are considering like f is equals to 1 or f is equals to might be like less than 1 or f is equals to greater than 1, it will depend upon the gases things. Okay, so this is the like derivation for triatomic or polyatomic gas. So this you also you need to copy down, but make sure while you was copying you need to rectify error. I wrote like instead of ft I wrote I think 3f something. So these two steps you need to check once again. Okay, now we will going to continue our same physics, and might be one of our last session related to intermediate public examination physics in our next session. So we were learning part number 2, kinetic theory physics, class 11th inter first year. I am Syed Rashid. You are watching Ahle Bayt High School and Junior College YouTube channel. Take care, maintain notes, practice more than one time. Have a great time. Thank you.